Have you ever wondered how a tiny drop of blood travels through your body, delivering oxygen, collecting waste, and keeping you alive every second? Welcome to the fascinating world of the circulatory system, your body's very own superhighway of life. Today, we'll follow one drop of blood on its incredible journey through the heart, lungs, and every corner of your body. Let's begin the journey of a drop of blood. The heart. Our story begins in the heart, a strong, tireless muscle about the size of your fist. It beats around 100,000 times every single day. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria on top and 2 ventricles below. The right side handles oxygen-poor blood. The left side pumps oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. Think of the heart as a double pump, one side sending blood to the lungs, and the other pushing it through the rest of the body. To the lungs. From the right ventricle, our drop of blood is pushed into the pulmonary artery and sent to the lungs. Inside the lungs, it releases carbon dioxide, the gas your body doesn't need, and absorbs fresh oxygen from the air you breathe. Now the blood turns bright red, full of oxygen and energy. It travels back to the left side of the heart, ready for the next phase of its journey. Through the body. The left ventricle gives a powerful push, sending the oxygen-rich blood into the aorta, the largest artery in your body. From there, it flows through smaller and smaller arteries, then into millions of tiny capillaries. Here, oxygen and nutrients are delivered to every single cell. In return, the blood collects carbon dioxide and waste products. The cells use that oxygen to create energy, the very power that keeps you alive. The return trip. Now our drop of blood is dark and deoxygenated. It begins its return journey through the veins. Valves inside the veins keep it moving in the right direction, back toward the heart. Finally, it enters the right atrium, where the cycle begins again, over and over, non-stop, every second of your life. What's in blood? But what's actually inside that drop of blood? It's a living liquid made of several parts. Red blood cells carry oxygen using a protein called hemoglobin. White blood cells protect you from infections and diseases. Platelets help your blood clot and heal wounds. And plasma, a pale yellow fluid, carries nutrients, hormones, and waste throughout your body. Each drop of blood contains millions of cells, all working together in perfect harmony. Fun facts. Did you know your body has more than 60,000 miles of blood vessels? That's enough to circle the Earth more than twice. And your heart will beat about 3 billion times in an average lifetime. Every heartbeat keeps this entire system running, silently, perfectly, every moment you're alive. Conclusion. And that's the journey of a single drop of blood, from the heart to the lungs, through every cell and back again. Your circulatory system is a masterpiece of design, pumping, breathing, and sustaining life every second of every day. So, the next time you feel your heartbeat, remember, that steady rhythm is your body's song of life.